Based on osmotic pressure, we classify solutions into three types. The first type is isotonic solution. Isotonic solutions. So these are solutions having same osmotic pressure, at given temperature. So that is isotonic solution. Example, 0.9% mass by volume solution of NaCl is isotonic with blood. Okay, so this is the normal saline solution, and it is this is what is supplied as saline water whenever we require our body to be hydrated. Now next type is actually hypertonic solution. Hypertonic solution is the solution having higher osmotic pressure compared to other. So basically, to say a particular solution is hypertonic, you require one more solution because it is comparative in nature. Similarly, there is also hypotonic solution. This is the solution having lower osmotic pressure than the other. So these are the three types of solutions which we have based on osmotic pressure. Then the applications, different applications of osmosis. The first thing, already I gave example, the saline water which we give intravenously is going to have 0.9% of NaCl solution. Then there is something called as edema. This edema is actually swelling of blood cells when placed in solution with lower concentration of solute. So basically, if blood cells are kept at a lower concentration, kept in solution with a lower solution of NaCl, that is hypotonic with blood, then the cell will puff or it will swell. So that's actually due to the movement of solvent, that is water, from outside to a cell. So when water passes from outside the cell membrane into the cell, it becomes swollen. So this phenomena is edema. Similarly, movement of water from soil to plant roots, is also partly by osmosis. Then purification of seawater, in fact desalination of seawater, actually it is desalination of seawater to get ultra pure H2O. This is a very important technique. By applying suitable suitable pressure from external source, we can actually convert a salty seawater to a drinkable, usable soft water, which finds enormous application. Already this technique is in practice. Most of the industries in especially power sector use this technique. That's about application of osmosis.